Good morning and welcome back to my channel Learning Homeopathic Medicine. Today we will see a very important and full drug picture of platina. It is a metal. The full name is Platinum metallicum. In this we will discuss about the personality of the platina patient, the very important rubrics which are mentioned in this picture form of the remedy, which is taken from the Kent's repertory. It will be important for you in exam point of view for therapeutics in BHMS exams, for AIA PGT exams, and MCQs which are asked in BHMS exams and AIA PGT exams. So let's start with the platina explanation today. Platina is a full drug picture and it is made from the metal. Its full name is Platinum metallicum. Now we'll come to the personality of the platina. Platina personality, platina patient is suffering from superiority complex. Means patient think that he or she is superior than all the others. Maybe her friends, her relatives, she or he is superior to all. Superiority complex consists of arrogancy. The patient is very arrogant, pride, haughty, overestimated to oneself. The patient think that he is born in high family and others are in low family and look very down to them. This patient have dark hairs, thin, rigid fibers. This remedy is suitable to the ladies who are suffering from very early and profuse menstruations. This is one of the important remedy for the women. This patient, platina, have mental delusion that seems everything is small. All the person are physically and mentally are inferior to her. Platina patients suffer from rectum complaints like stools are soft like clay but adheres to the rectum and anus. So this patient suffer from the constipation even though the stool is soft. This patient suffer from the traveler's constipation. That this patient whenever they go out from their native place, from their home, they suffer from constipation. This is called as traveler's constipation. मतलब जब कभी वो घर से बाहर जाएंगे ट्रैवल करने, किसी भी रीज़न से घर से बाहर जाने पे उन्हें कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है इस पेशेंट को. दिस पेशेंट हैव मेंटल्स लाइक अल्टरनेटली गे एंड सैड. मतलब दिस पेशेंट इज़ वेरी मूडी. प्लेटिना बहुत ही मूडी होता है, अल्टरनेटली गे, कभी खुश होता है कभी दुख होता है, और ईजिली वीपिंग. दिस पेशेंट आर ईजिली वीपिंग, वेरी सेंसिटिव एंड ईजिली वीपिंग. Sensitivity is also seen in their sexual organs. Like their sexual organs are extremely sensitive, cannot bear the napkin to touch. That during menses, this patient suffers very much because they have very sensitive organs. That touch of napkin is not bearable to the patient. This patient have nymphomania. They suffer from nymphomania. There are other remedies in the nymphomania rubric, but platina is one of the remedy. This is one of the rubric in Kent's repertory. Now, this patient have a unique feeling, that sensation of growing in all the directions. Patient think that she or he is growing in all the directions. Actually is not growing, but these are the feelings, these are the sensation felt by the platina patient. This patient have irresistible desire to whistle and sing. This is a very unique obscene thing about the platina, that sometimes this patient are very perverted and there is irresistible desire for whistling and singing obscene song. This patient suffer from neuralgic headache, violent neuralgic headache. So this is the personality of platina. Now we have made a mnemonic to remember the platina in a unique way. So P for proud. This patient is very proudy. They have pride that he or she is a superior to all the others. L, looking down to the others, contemptuous. This is one of the rubric in Kent's repertory, contemptuous. And platina is one of the remedy. Contemptuous means patient looks upon the other that they are very inferior, they are very poor, they are very bad looking, everything wise they patient is superior to the other, it is contemptuous, looking down to the others. Now A for abnormal sexual appetite. T for traveler's constipation. The patient, whenever patient go out of the home, they suffer from constipation. And platina is the best remedy for this. This is also one of the rubric. I for impulse to kill her own loved ones. This is very unique about platina, that platina patient have the feeling to kill their loved ones, maybe a son or daughter or husband, very near dear ones, they have impulse to kill them. N for nymphomania. A for alternate appearance of mental and physical complaints. That it means whenever there is mental complaints, patient suffering from mental complaints, the physical complaints disappears. And as soon as the mental complaints are better, the physical complaints appear again. This is the chain, that mental appears and physical disappears. Physical disappears, mental appears. This is the platina patient. So this is all about the platina patient. In this picture form of study, there are many rubrics given, which is very important for MCQ point of view, for therapeutics of platina lady in BHMS gynec paper. So this is all about platina. This is very important because in this type of study, whenever you will see the patient like this in your clinic, whenever you are practicing, only by looking to the patient you can identify that this is platina. But better way is to take the full case and give the remedy. Okay. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Do like, share and subscribe. Write in comment box if you want any peculiar remedy to be explained in this way. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.